This is a short video I decided to record to introduce you to the new page building platforms that have been done in Russia and that I've been using for the past year. Frankly, I've been an early adopter of all sorts of the plugins and sites that help you to build pages very fast. But frankly, this is the best I came across. Even I've been a user, early adopter of the lead pages. I start using OptimizePress since the version 1. I also have Insta Builder plugins, all sorts of things I have tried, but so far it's the best I was able to find. The only minus, like I said in my comments in Facebook, that so far this service is not translated on English. They're working on this to translate entire interface to the English. It will be done within a year. But for now, for those of you who want to give it a try, because it's very good service, but it's very inexpensive and interface is very intuitive. But I decided to record a quick video about how to actually use it. So right now you can see one of the pages that I've done on this building, on this page builder, which is called PlatformaLP. And the domain there is PlatformaLP in root domain. There are all sorts of pages that I've built there. Let me show you another one. It's some 10 block training that I did last year. And another one, this is a webinar subscription page. It's a shorter one, and this is a squeeze page that I constructed with this service. Thank you page, and another training or another webinar page that I did on this platform. So once you get to the platform, you can try it absolutely for free for 2 weeks. It's 14 days, and for that you just have to click on this button, on this button. This is a front page. There are a short video which is showing you how everything is changeable there. And plus, in addition to that, it's integrating with uh, a lot of services like autoresponder, analytics, CRM systems, client communication, calm touch, social works, and in addition to this, you have built-in CRM system which will be collecting your leads and their emails and phone numbers, whatever you like, and will send you notification via SMS or via email, so you always had of you always know what's going on. Plus, it's the only site so far that has day around 24-hour support system, and many of their support people they are speaking English, so they will be happy to help. So let me take you inside. After you click on the quick registration, um, it's pretty much explanatory. It's your name and it's your email. So after that, you need to confirm, and after you register, you will end up at this it's interface like this. The only difference that here I have like a lot of pages here, and but yours is most likely gonna be empty. So all you need to do, you need to click here, which is create page, or you can scroll all the way down. And here is a large button saying create one more page. So let's click on this and give it a minute to load a new script. They're asking me for authorization, and it will give us the option to start from zero, like from scratch, or you can use a number of templates that are already created for the different industries. You can guess what it is about by the content. There are a car site, a beauty site, internet book sites, apartment or offices for rent, all sorts of things. They have already templates that perform the best. They also track in their analytics and statistics, medical clinics. So there are a lot of templates which is ready to go. You can choose from. And for the purpose of demonstration, I will not bore you and I will try to create a small page like subscription page. And for that, let's say I'm not gonna take a naked woman or car. Let's take this template. They're asking you, are you sure you want to choose this template? Yes. Um, and I will show you how easy it is to create a page that you want starting from the ready to go template. As you can see at the top of the page now, they start loading this template. And what we will do, we actually take this template, remove the sections that we don't need, and edit those sections that we want to have and change one of it. While it's loading, I can show you another pages that have been created with this platform. This is a thank you page. Okay, let's go. Sorry for the delay because it's the recording stuff and I have like a plenty of stuff open right now, but you will see how easy it is. Meanwhile, while it's loading the template, we will see, I will explain you all the elements you can add to the page, like a text or image and text, image, bullet points, lines, containers, 2 column, 3 column, 4 column, form, button, um, this one, what it is? HTML, YouTube, menu. This is a menu. This is HTML code. This is YouTube. This is a social buttons, and this is a timer. So all this you can just simply drag and drop into the section you want. But for now, our template is loaded. There are some text which is preloaded here. And also at the bottom, you have a modification, like all sorts of things. For example, I want to change the bullet points, let's say, and I can choose like this, like this, like this. There are versions that you can use. But for now, let's remove the sections that we don't need. It's very easy. Everything that has something to do with the entire section, with this square, it's on the left side, so you can click on the X and it will be removed. I will do the same. I will remove this one. If you need to add section, you can click on the plus here, but the map I also don't need, so I will remove it as well. Remove. I don't need that many pictures. Right. And this one. So we will be creating a simple squeeze page. Plus, at the top there is a menu. I don't need that. Click. First of all, I will need to add a header, and I do this by simply dragging the T here. And as you can see, there is for this small section there is an instrument. I will show you how they work. But for now, we will say this is a test page. Center it, change the font, change the size, change the color, make it a little bit bigger. Okay. So It's done. Now I need to change to add the image here. By the way, this section I don't need. So I just click on the X and it will be removed. This one I also don't need. It will be removed. Remove. And here I want to add the image of the book. There are a number of icons you can use. They are divided by the collection. You can use a different style of action, but I need to load my own photo. Okay, and it's gonna be okay. So I need the cover, but it's opening very slow. Sorry for that, guys. It should be somewhere here. Okay, let's do this. It will open. Start loading. We can add all sorts of animation. I'm just avoiding it so the page load faster. So as you can see, the image is too big and I need to adjust it. And for this, just it's very intuitive. You click on the tool sign. It can be left, right, center, and I can change the size of it just by sliding, by using the slider. I think that's good. Now I want you can change the naming here. Um, Now I want to change the picture that is going to be on the background and it's going to be here. It's entire section settings, and this is where all. Okay, and the first one, it has everything to do with heading. So I click on the second one and choose a different image. Let's say this one. I can load my own, but it should be quite large and in nice resolution. So I would rather cancel. Choose this one. There are a number of images available. So looks good to me. Now I just want this to be higher to the top, so everything, all this section is above the first fold. How to do that? Again, it's here uh, in section setting, and it's fourth on the left. And again, it's a slider. I think this is how I want it. Yeah. I can also click here and make it smaller on the top and larger at the bottom. This is the top, this is the bottom. That's it. Let's look how it's look. Hey, something happened with our image. It's disappeared. So we just simply click redo, undo, or redo, undo. Okay, so it's done. Now I need to integrate it with my autoresponder, but first I want to change the size of the button. Click here. and nothing happening. Okay, yes. I need to change the size. And there are different section. We can change the writing on the button. We can add the icon. We can use text and icon. But I will need this what it contains, the content, and this is the size. So I would like to have a button like this and change its size to the large one. Looks good to me. And the last things I need to do to integrate with autoresponder. I will show you the integration is done via API. So just click here, choose my list in get response. You can integrate to 2 or 3 lists at the same time. And basically I'm done. And they also ask you, what do you want to do? You want to send the message. It's going to be a little pop-up. It's going to with the text which is written before. I want to redirect usually to the thank you page so I can run my analytics. So they will ask you for the page you want them to be redirected. I have one page which is basically serves the purpose of thank you page for all my pages. Just copy it. And that is it. So our heading is done, our image is done, the button is done. It's integrated with our autoresponder. I got a get response. The only thing that is left is this section, and I really would like to use a different. If you like it, you can do this section. You can stay with this design, or you can change it, and this is what exactly what I'm going to do. I want to take this type of section. So you see it shows up here with already font. I just want to do some bullet points edit. I don't need text. I don't need text here. Okay. I can remove a whole section here and whole section here. And by the way, this double one is just I do it several. Copy, copy. And this one I will remove. So this is basically it. And now I just need to change the naming, change the header, change the font. I like intro, size, color. And now I can move the section around. So what I will do, I will move it higher. You see? Now the footer is higher. And this section I will simply remove. Okay. Here what I have done, I can add you can add all sorts of section like with advantages, you can add brands, you can add steps if there is a complicated process. You can add comment box, by the way. That's a very good one if you're running a webinars. So this comment section is automatically integrate with social media platform. If you use Facebook, us in Russia, we use not only Facebook, we also use VK, ВКонтакте. It's one of the very popular site here in Russia, so I also need to move this section. So if you run, so there are plenty of opportunities to do. For now, I remove the comment section. So basically, there are two screens, short page. We have it done in probably over 10 minutes. And now I just click publish. And now I have the option. So the green check means it's published. So if I click on the button, I can continue to edit, or I can go back to my admin with a list of the pages, or I can just simply open this page. And you see it's loading. And now we can test the form. Uh, just to see that everything is working like we ask. Super. One step left. Please confirm your registration. La la la. So that's basically a quick overview of the platform and quick overview of how you can use it to build it all sorts of pages. Actually, you get around very pretty quick. And if you need something, just write me a question. I will be happy to help. Okay, see you in the next video.